thutha wa kubuja rekodi ya E-News ithaa rimwe ndagika 59 na kuiga giathi na president. Umuthi Eliud Kipchoge ni amukire cheki ya shilingi milioni 100 cia gwaka library ya mathomo ta uria maiguithanirie na president.
President, through you, President promised 100 million library in Kafusio, and my only thing is to say thank you and let us support the government, let us support Mr. CS as far as education is concerned.
Cheki eno ineanirwo ni Minister wa Mathomo Professor George Magoha akiuga ninge president niwe ukahingura library ino wona yareka thutha wa mieri 6.
So that library should not be a small library because you want to do everything else. When the time comes for an administration block, we shall engage Eliud Kipchoge as a government and assist him as is required. But for now, we are going to focus on the library and see how much it is going to cost. I am very hopeful that 100 million will be able to give a library that is befitting a champion of his caliber.
Kogina kuojolwa wa mahenya ma gutua ngogo ni umwe wa alia marahariria mahenya ma mwaka uyu ma Momberes Marathon.
I'm happy to be back to fit, and that's why I said maybe in the near future we'll be doing a marathon. Maybe we'll start with 10K and maybe 5K, and we'll go as much as also running a marathon there.
We are expecting like maybe 800 athletes, yeah. And because it's first edition, we cannot predict.
Mahenya maya matanyitwo gukorwo na ucidani munene wa nguthi cia ihenya na muoroto munene uri gutambia uhandi wa miti.
We are going now to reach the youth. We know the youth, they have the energy, they have the time. And if we can reach them and we show them they can do conservation and also they can do sports, really we will be investing to our youth.
Mahenya maya magatafanio muthenya wa 6 mweri wa Dithemba kwambĩrĩria thaa cia rũcinĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, nĩ niĩ Dan Kanwanga.